Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from radical mathematics. We have to evaluate the expression x power 5 root x plus 1 over x power 5 root x if known equation is x root x plus 1 over x root x equal to 3 root 6. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to e first, and we can write also x must be positive. Now I will write our equation and expression for our substitution. Let me write root x is equal to a. So x will be equal to a square and x power 5 will be a power 10. Now our equation will convert into radical free variable equation and expression. Let me write here. So I will be writing equation as x will be now a square. So I will write a square times a plus 1 over a square times a equal to 3 square root 6. And what about expression? It would be a power 10 times a plus 1 over a power 10 times a. So our expression is finally a power 11 plus 1 over a power 11. And given equation is a cube plus 1 over a cube equal to 3 square root 6. So it is radical free in terms of our variable. How we will calculate? Let me begin with one algebraic identity. So I will be writing here a cube plus 1 over a cube. It is 3 root 6. Target expression is a power 11 plus 1 over a power 11. Okay, I will be writing here one identity, one general formula, a plus b whole cube. So it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. That means a times 1 over a in bracket a plus b. So a plus 1 over a. Better is to consider a plus 1 over a. Suppose k. So I can write here k cube equal to, this value is 3 root 6. So I will write 3 root 6. This will be over and this is again k. So 3k. Now this is converting into one cubic equation. Minus 3 root 6 equal to 0. If I will apply k equal to root 6, see what will come out. K cube will be 6 root 6 minus 3 root 6 minus 3 root 6. So it is satisfying the equation. That means k equal to root 6 is one solution to this cubic equation, or k minus root 6 is one factor. So let us write our cubic equation as k square times k minus root 6, remainder theorem. Then I have to add here root 6 k square. Rest is as it is, minus 3k minus 3 root 6 equal to 0. Now I will be writing k square k minus root 6 as it is plus. Here I can write root 6 k square. This minus 3k I will be writing minus 6k plus 3k. And then minus 3 root 6 equal to 0. Now here I will be taking common root 6 and here I will take 3 common. So it will come out, let me write here, k square times k minus root 6. Then if I will take root 6k common, then it will be root 6k in bracket k minus root 6. And once I will take 3 common, we will get the same bracket k minus root 6 equal to 0. So k minus root 6 is overall common. So in second bracket, k square plus root 6k plus 3 will be left. So from here I can conclude k minus root 6 equal to 0, k equal to root 6, and k was a plus 1 over a. Now for this bracket I will write k square root 6k plus 3 equal to 0. Let us check only discriminant. b square minus 4ac. Root 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 3. So it is 6 minus 12. Discriminant is negative. So I will write complex solutions will be there. So we will reject this. So k is equal to root 6 is accepted solution for this cubic equation. K is equal to root 6. Let me write here a plus 1 over a equal to k equal to root 6. Now one task is over. It is a plus 1 over a is equal to root 6. Now I will consider squaring of this equation. So I can write here a square plus 1 over a square plus 2 times a times 1 over a equal to root 6 square. So 6. Now this will be over. Conclusion is a square plus 1 over a square equal to 4. Let us consider squaring once again. I will write here a power 4 plus 1 over a power 4 plus 2 directly. That will be cancelled out. So 2, and this side 16. So a power 4 plus 1 over a power 4 will be 14. Now our first equation, if you will see, a cube plus 1 over a cube. This was 3 root 6. Now I will consider squaring of this equation. So let me write here squaring. So I will be having a cube whole square, a power 6, 1 over a power 6 plus 2ab. So only 2 will be there. Squaring of this side, 9 times 6, 54. So important result, a power 6 plus 1 over a power 6. This value will be equal to 52. Now I will utilize this information, these equations for our calculation. It was a power 11 plus 1 over a power 11. How it would be? I will multiply a power 6 plus 1 over a power 6. Let me write here. So a power 4 plus 1 over a power 4 equal to, this value was 14, and a plus 1 over a was, we calculated root 6. Let's multiply both. So I will be writing a power 4 plus 1 over a power 4 times a plus 1 over a equal to 14 root 6. Multiply it, a power 5 plus 1 over a power 5 plus cross multiplication will give us a cube plus 1 over a cube equal to 14 root 6. Now a cube plus 1 over a cube was 3 root 6. This was our equation number 1, the first one. So here I will be writing 3 root 6. So I can write from here a power 5 plus 1 over a power 5. It is equal to 14 minus 3. So 11 root 6. Now target is to find out a power 11 plus 1 over a power 11. How it would be? I will multiply now a power 6 plus 1 over a power 6 with a power 5 plus 1 over a power 5. So I can write here a power 6 plus 1 over a power 6. This was 52. Now I will multiply with 11 root 6. So this is nothing but right hand side 572 root 6, and LHS is the product of these two brackets. A power 5 plus 1 over a power 5 equal to 572 root 6. Let me write once a power 6, a power 5, a power 5, 572 square root 6. Let's multiply. I will write here a power 11 plus 1 over a power 11. Now cross multiplication. A plus 1 over a we will get a power 6 times 1 over a power 5, a. 1 over a power 6 times a power 5, 1 over a. Right hand side is 572 root 6. Now we know the value of a plus 1 over a, it is root 6. So our required expression I will write a power 11 plus 1 over a power 11. This would be equal to 572 square root 6 minus 1 root 6. So we will write our answer will be 571 square root 6. And this brings the end of this video. Thank you friends for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe please. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.